Hey there, my name is Sally. Are you struggling with small profits or no profits in your cleaning business? Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to follow Tim Ricky's Show Me the Profit Mastery. You will be amazed where the profits really are. Can you see adding hundreds or thousands of dollars to the bottom line? Coach Ricky has the solutions. He can and will help you. Register and take the short survey, and your free copy of Tim's book will be emailing on its way.
Hey everybody, I'm Timmy and Mom says that I'm a kidpreneur. I wonder what that means.